Hi friends, welcome to tootscorner.com videos. How to use oat groats for weight loss. The favorite breakfast that you love to eat every day is the oatmeal, made from dry oat groats with innumerable nutritional benefits. Many of you eat cereal because you like the taste, whereas few eat to lose weight and remain healthy. Since it is rich in healthy carbs and fiber, oats serve as a perfect meal for the Weight Watchers. Nevertheless, you shall be aware of how to use oats that may prove healthy and help achieve weight loss goals. Type of oats that is best for weight loss. Avoid buying oats that have added sugar and fats that tend to increase calories and decrease its nutrition. If you want to lose weight, instead buy plain oats that have no added flavorings and preservatives while planning a weight loss regime. All types of oats are good for losing weight because of their higher protein and fiber content, but steel cut oats are far better as they have a low glycemic index. On the other hand, if you are consuming a cup of oatmeal for breakfast, there are fewer hunger pangs and you do not feel to indulge in junk foods for the later part of the day. Thus, oatmeal keeps you fuller for longer and helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Using oat groats for weight loss. Oat groats with a chewy texture and nutty flavor after grinding into oat flour is an excellent addition in baked items. Groats are whole grains that include the germ, bran and the endosperm, which are very nutritious and have amazing results on your healthy well-being. It needs to soak overnight to soften them as it has a tough texture before using it the other day. Nevertheless, oat groats take longer to cook, so steel cut or rolled oats are the preferred choices for most of us, which is good for weight loss and nutritious at the same time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.